pretty sad. Yucky. Firewall's not too bad. A little bit of rust over here. Cow's gone. Top box looks alright. These chassis rails are done. Yeah, A-pill looks a bit ugly, but it's not rusted out, so that's all good. It's all pretty tight. Bit of rust down here. Going to fix that little section there. These all look good. Straighten all that out. I'm sure I want to cut the roof off. It'll be alright. Ooh, the wheel well's pretty sad. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's a diff sitting on the floor. Pretty sad in here too, but that'll all go, be replaced. Oh, she's pretty ugly. Full of nutshells. I'm guessing squirrels or whatever. Yankee squirrels are living in this thing. Nuts everywhere. Oh, yuck. This is a bit of go. Oh, yuck. The side's pretty ugly around the sill. The A-pill is all good. It's nice and tight. Good. The rust there. This is all good. So that'll be alright. There's no torque in that torque box. Oh, look at that. Putting a daylight, she's lightweight racing special. Got the old porta power in there, squaring it up and lifting it up. This piece here, this is pretty stuffed. Got another one of these coming, I'll cut that out. Brand new one in there. This is looking heaps better now. Height's heaps better. So I let that settle on there, a little bit overstretched at the moment, but she's coming up nice and square. So that's good, it's good relief. That'll be this problem fixed. Straightened up this section a bit more. So we just got this front here, square that up next. After I get that piece, and then we can put the roof on. Well, here we are. Front's cut off, pretty rusty, not too bad. Got the old Sherby flaming lolly pointer. Who doesn't love a Sherby? Yeah, pretty rusty. Alrighty, just a quick mock up of the front end. It's going on good. Jig makes it easy. So I'll just chuck a couple of checkies in there to lock it all in, mark it up where to grind the paint off to weld it, and that'll be the front. Yeah, had to cut the floor out. This is trans tunnel's a little bit bent. So to the next step, firewall. Fit the left-hand drive one, then pull it out again, then convert it to right-hand drive, fit it back in again. See how we go. Most of these panels are pretty much fitted, you know, like I've been pretty surprised. This cow's sort of just sitting loosely on there, just popped straight in the hole. So, you know, a little bit of a gap there, but that'll come out. Beautiful. Now I've just got to cut this firewall up and make it a right-hand drive firewall. Lots more progress. Floor's going in good. It's all sitting in nice and square. Pretty happy with that. Once this floor's done, back to a car again. Keep drilling. It's good to see. Dynacon panels are pretty good. On the floor, it's good. Still got to finish off the right-hand drive dash conversion. Got to still weld up the dash a little bit more, but that's all steering columns in, RRS conversion. Let's have a look. There's the right-hand drive rack and everything in, all went in nice. Firewall all converted, just needs engineering now. That'll keep going.